Bledsoe was arrested.
Patrick Montgomery was in court.
Jonathan Manapa will stay in federal custody.
No, I don't take responsibility at all.
Everyone, welcome to the show. So U.S. District Judge Trevor McFadden issued a bench warrant for January 6 defendant Victor Sean Dennison. Dennison lives in California, or at least he did before he skipped out on his trial. It was scheduled to begin this Monday, but he was a no-show. So Dennison is another sovereign citizen, quote unquote. And after the bench warrant was issued, Dennison sent a letter to the court. He also sent it to his standby attorney because, of course, he's representing himself. So this letter was filled with all the usual sovereign citizen nonsense. It starts off with, quote, Victor Sean of the house and lineage of Dennison, child of God, blah, blah, blah. Then it goes on to say, how can Judge McFadden lawfully issue forth a bench warrant after the court has already received, obtained, and has custody of the surrendered legal person? And wouldn't any actions against the trust be a war crime? So the whole sovereign citizen thing is like there's this, trust, which is the real person. And then there's the other person, the legal person, which is fictitious in their mind and was made up by the government. So anyway, it goes on to say in part, quote, you cannot represent a living man. I am a living man. An attorney can only represent the dead. When you use the words you and your, are you referring to a dead entity? Are you trying to summon the dead? Or do you meant the living, breathing man? These people. And so Dennison also warned, quote, let it be known the provost marshal has been noticed. So evidently, these so-called sovereign citizens believe that if they're arrested or prosecuted, the military is going to intervene on their behalf. So that's what that warning was all about. I'm guessing he didn't bother to pay attention to the Pauline Bauer case. Right? I mean, she was another sovereign citizen who battled with this same judge, with Judge McFadden for months. And then he finally threw her House of Bauer butt back in jail. She sat there for a nice long time so she could think about her actions. And then just last month, he sentenced her to over 2 years in prison. And this is after she refused a plea deal. She went to trial. So Victor Sean of the House of Dennison seems to be headed down the same path. Judge McFadden may be a Trump stooge, but he doesn't seem to like it when you challenge his authority. So Dennison is making a monumentally huge mistake. He was only charged with the basic 4 misdemeanors. So with McFadden as a judge, he was almost guaranteed a sentence of probation only. Refusing a plea deal was his first mistake. And then ditching his trial and pulling this BS this sovereign citizen BS is a massive, massive mistake that's going to land him in prison. I couldn't locate his age, but he is obviously young and he is going to regret these choices one day. I guarantee. So I will keep you posted on all of this, guys. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please donate if you can. Love you all. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.